Are you looking to increase your ability to engage teams and large groups? Do you want to ensure a win-win outcome when managing stakeholder relationships? Does your role require practical or complex problem solving? Then you might want to consider professional skills training. There are a wide range of courses for you to choose from, across 20 different categories. Through each workshop you'll learn a range of professional skills teaching you the information that will make the biggest impact. Most courses will take less than 4 hours of your time. You can attend in person or virtually, and we have designed them so they are fun, informal and practical to help you excel in your career. Our workshops include building relationships and stakeholder management, communication, emotional intelligence, networking, personal leadership, and more. All of our workshops follow a 7-step best practice learning process. Firstly, we identify the problem or situation for the discussion. Then we establish how this relates to you as learners. After that, we will teach you the tools, techniques, and management approaches needed to tackle them, and help you understand how to practically apply these to real-world scenarios. Finally, we identify the conclusions that can be drawn, and finish with an interactive question and answer session. We encourage you to make behavioral commitments, which will make a difference to you and help you assimilate the knowledge. ILX has 35 years of experience delivering training to more than 500,000 individuals and 5,000 clients in over 100 countries. If these workshops sound of interest to you, you can download our complete course catalogue using the link on screen. We look forward to welcoming you to a workshop soon.